All right, let's go on, everyone. Real quick, I just want to show what I'm working on my truck. So this is kind of the setup that I have now. Basically, this whole thing slides out. Still working on it, but I think this is a good spot to at least show you guys. So this whole thing slides out like that. It's very secure. Just a piece of plywood, and then I just literally just put this as roofing waterproof cover over it. I might paint it black so you don't see like the red lettering and stuff, but I'm not too concerned about it now. Put a shelf in the bottom, just if you're working on something you can put stuff in the bottom. A little tight, but it works. Basically this whole thing, let me show you here. Take it off the tripod. Actually, let me take the phone off. Alright, so it extends out a good bit past the truck bed. I think, is it extended all the way? I don't know, it might not be, I'm not sure. I wanted it to sit on top so that when I'm working on something, I can have this big platform to slide out, especially if I get larger slabs. I can put them on this and then slide them outside of my truck bed and then hopefully cut it while it's still in my truck so I can move myself. That's the goal, at least. Before I put this just pressure treated as like 2x6, 2x8, whatever it is. I put it actually inside using the bolts for the cover. So I just got longer stainless bolts, put those in there. And basically what the use of that is, it holds up a lot of the weight on this side, which I should put another one over there. But I wanted to be able to have somewhere to mount a vise on the back. I have a hitch mounted vise, but sometimes it's nice also to have a surface to mount it to make it a little more level with your arm. But also it's a good surface to do any kind of quick like screwing or anything like that, because it's a flat surface, so it gives you a little bit of kind of workbench space if you're out somewhere. So that's kind of what this is. On the side I just have cedar boards. That actually is nice because it gives you a little shelf room, or not shelf room, like compartment room in the side here. So that's kind of nice. And again, I'm waiting to see how the water is going to flow off this. This curves around, so it should block water from just sitting on the board, hopefully. But if not, you can just swap the board out, so it's no problem at all. I have these like rails that I had, so I just put those on the side to at least take some of the weight off. And basically what's happening underneath is you can see way back, I have 3 drawer slides connected to each side like that. And I have drawer slides on this too. The drawer slides don't actually hold up the weight really, because the back drawer slide's resting against the bottom of the truck. So basically what happens is the back is holding up the weight, as well as those back L brackets, or not L brackets, angled steel, and then this is also holding weight. So it's not really resting that much on the actual drawer slide itself, which is nice because those won't be able to support a lot. Those just kind of allow this thing to slide back and forth in a continuous motion and not bind. So that's kind of, it's just kind of hacked together just with 6 drawer slides that I just screwed together. The other side is, but yeah, I just have pressure treated the 2x8s on the side, so very secure, not going anywhere. It's connected to, again, pressure treated 4x4s that go into my side of my bed. And then my toolbox is also bolted to the side of this, so that's not going anywhere. Everything's pretty secure, pressure treated, so it's fine, at least for a few years. We'll see how long it lasts, but again, if it breaks, it's not difficult to just swap that out. So we'll see what happens. Potentially I might add a little bit of storage up here to make it like kind of a door to make this like waterproof in the event it rains. I'm not sure. I don't know. The only thing I'd do is like I'd angle the cedar here and have it on a hinge, and it would just like open like that, or maybe a hinge right here. I don't know. I might not do that. I'm not sure yet. We'll see what happens. So this is what I got so far. I think it's pretty neat. Again, the goal of this was so I really can load in a big slab and then put it on this thing and have it lay flat, but also be able to move it out and in, you know, without really having to angle it on top of my the back of my bed and then have to hold it up while I lower the thing, because some of those slabs are pretty heavy. So usually it's just doing it myself. So this would help out a lot, because then I could just leave it on resting on this. So, and also what I'd have to consider actually is if I drive with this down, I might just have to run a screw in to hold the drawer so that doesn't come out. Let's see what else. But if that makes sense. So again, this is just kind of thrown together with just material. It's not like I planned this out like some SketchUp app and CNC'd all these parts. Like, it's obviously, it looks rough, but I mean, it's the back of my truck, so you know, it's not really too concerned about it. So that's the plan right now. I'll post an update if I do anything more to it. But yeah, anyway, thanks for checking this out.